Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you how you can change ticket data on Flydubai, flight ticket data on Flydubai. So guys, what you have to do is just log in into your account and log in with your name and your write your booking reference and click on confirm. Write here guys your name, for example, your name Muhammad. After that, guys, what you have to do, write your booking reference and click view booking. And from that, you can change and manage your flight ticket data from here, as you can see here, and choose to manage your data here. For example, this one, guys, and click the data from November, 10 November, and from December. Here, you can change easily and by write your booking reference. So, guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And I see you on another video soon. Keep watching, guys.